Today I will be going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. So I'll be going through question 10 today. Question 10 reads, the diagram shows a shape made out of 6 identical squares. The total area of the shape is 5,406 centimeters squared. Part A is find the estimate for the length of one side of each square. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So we need to know the length of the square. So I would just call that L. And so I know that each square has an area of L squared. And as there's 6 squares, that will be giving me an area of 6L squared. So as it says estimate, I won't do the exact calculation. And I rounded 5,406 to 5,400, which is 2 significant figures. And it's also, so I can divide it by 6, which gives me L squared equals 900, and so that means L equals 30 centimeters. So part B is the answer to part A, and underestimate and overestimate. Give me a reason for your answer. So I've only estimated once, and I rounded down. So that would give me a smaller answer, so mine is an underestimate. So like and subscribe for more about our GCSE Maths